Hi, it's Emily from WTI, and this is the WINMAU Blade 6 dartboard. Whoa, let me tell you about it.
This dartboard lets you bring professional grade dartboard play to your house. It is absolutely awesome. One of our favorite features is this Rota-Lock system. So a lot of times when people put dartboards up at home, they don't mount super flush to the wall, and so they tend to move around when you're throwing darts at it. But this system comes with these Rota-Lock adjustable mounts so that you get a perfectly tight and flush mount to the wall every time. That makes for a much more smooth professional feel when you're playing darts because you don't get a lot of movement of the board. This board has an extremely low bounce back rate because it's got a really great tight bristle surface, and it has been so fun to play on. My husband and I have been playing cricket, and even though I haven't played darts for years, just practicing on this dartboard has been so fun, and I even beat him once. So this has been out in his man cave, and he's been playing every single day, and basically he's now completely addicted to darts. So this dartboard has been absolutely wonderful. It's got really thin dividers between the numbers, so that allows for more darts to go in and much less bounce back. It has been so fun to learn to play darts. It's a great group activity. It's great to play with friends. And I think if you're looking for a dartboard that feels like professional level play, this is definitely the one for you. Just listen to that satisfying thwack.
We are obsessed with this thing. We love it. We think you will too. And that's our point of view.